The education program at Heidelberg is very hands-on.
I'm Makenna Finnegan. I'm a junior, and I am an AYA English Ed major. The education program here has a lot of placement opportunities. A lot of other schools that I went to, it was like, oh, you'll get in the field your junior year, and I'm like, that's 2 years away then until I have a classroom of my own. That's really scary. I'm like, that won't be good. So I got in the field my freshman year here, and both semesters my sophomore year, and then next semester I'll have 50 hours. And I feel like that's preparing me to be in the actual environment instead of just sitting in a classroom learning about the theoretical appearance of a classroom.
My name is Madalyn Gahring. I graduated in 2020 from Heidelberg, and I currently teach 3rd grade at Bucyrus Elementary School. I think all of the education professors here kind of treat you like a peer. They don't act like they're higher than you or that they're above you. They don't try to like boss you around. They come at you like an approach of like, I'm your friend and I'm trying to help you. And that made it really comfortable because it gave you the opportunity to like, okay, I can like kind of open up and like ask all these questions, and they're not going to look at me like I have 2 heads. They were very approachable and very friendly. And I think definitely having a hands-on approach to the learning that I received here at Heidelberg helped a lot, but just being able to kind of given the knowledge on how to step back and look at things from another perspective, because it's easy to get set in your way and be like, I know exactly what I'm doing and this is going to be perfect, and you will have those moments where you plan something, you think it's great, and it fails. And they've taught us, to step back and like, okay, let's look at it like what happened, especially during field experiences, and they'd come in and observe. They would always meet with us after our lessons and say, like, these were really good things that happened. These were some areas that we thought maybe were weaker. How can we work together to strengthen that, to make it better for you and your use in the classroom in the future? And I think that the professors here at Heidelberg really helped us understand, like, you don't have a set path and you've got to roll with it. And I think that helped a lot. I honestly do love all of the professors at Heidelberg. They're all great people.